What's up everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make money online with a simple copy and paste method. Very easy to implement, so all you have to do is stay with me. But if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel first, where I upload videos about how to make money online and work from home opportunities on a consistent basis, and hit that notification bell also to be notified every time there is a new video uploaded. Alright, today's method is going to be super easy to get started with. It might be something that you definitely haven't thought about, and to be honest, I just had totally forgotten about this method. You can make some few extra bucks with this method. Keep in mind, you won't get rich. Now, if you're interested in make some serious money online and build a long-term business, you definitely want to check out my link in the description below here at the end of this video, of course. But first, let's get started with this super easy method to make some money online with copy and paste. So, with that being said, we'll start with going to a site called clicksfly.com. And what this is actually a link shortener site. If you have seen some of my previous videos, you probably have noticed that I use Bitly. Bitly is another company. So you do take your long affiliate links and you shorten them. And this is exactly how it works. But here you get paid, of course, for doing this. Now, how do they make money and you? Well, really simple. They do have some advertising. So when someone clicks on that link, they do see some advertising. And of course, that's how they make money, and you also. So definitely a cool way to make money on our affiliate links also. Okay, so you can make money in two ways here. So if I scroll down a little bit here, it works really simple. You create an account, you shorten your links, and you earn money. ClicksFly is the highest paying URL shortener and completely free tool where you can create short links, which apart from being free, you get paid. So now you can make money from home when managing and protecting your links there. Now, how much do you make? Well, it really depends, of course, on the traffic that you send there. This is also really cool. You get actually 20% referral bonus. And it's not only for referring, but it is actually of their earnings for life. So you get lifetime recurring commissions if you refer a friend and they make money, you make money too. Here are some more. This is featured administration panel, detailed stats, low minimum payout is another cool thing. You actually you're only required to earn $3 and then you can get paid actually. And of course we have PayPal, which is probably the most popular option, Paytm, Bitcoin, and many more. They say that it is the highest rates, and with the research I did, I can say that they probably are the top. ClicksFly is probably one of the most popular companies around, and they do have really high rates there. So you can see here also they do have Bitcoin, Payoneer, Paytm, UPI, MobiCash, Payeer, and bank transfer. So definitely many options to choose from to get paid there. Now, how does it work? Let's have a look at it a little bit here. So it is more or less as I already shared here. You click the account, you shorten the links, and you can share that link, of course, manually later on. For example, Twitter, Facebook, or wherever you want to share that link. Blogs, email, if you're in email marketing. And they do mention again the referrals here, of course. How to set up full page script, you can do that too. So that is really nice. And I'm just going to show you real quick here. This is how it looks at the dashboard. You see here, just type the domain that you want to have shortened, and you pick here the advertising type of domain, and this is the shortened link. So you just copy that link and use that wherever you want, okay? Twitter, Facebook, or whatever you're going to use that. And that's how you get paid actually. So really super easy and simple method to make money. And keep in mind, you get paid actually for your affiliate link if you get a commission, so you can also get paid with this. So that is how ClicksFly work. Now, there are definitely more companies, and I'm just going to share with you one more here that you can use. I think it's better to focus on one URL shortener, actually, to be honest here. But there is another company called uls.fun. uls.fun. And it works pretty much the same way. You create an account, you shorten your links, and you earn money here. So let's have a look here. Really similar site, to be honest. I think they might be the exact same company also. I don't know. I'm not sure. But I do see that they have different rates here. So let's say, for example, for a desktop, if someone hits from Marshall Islands, you get $22 for one click there. But let's say that we are in the States, so that would be $1, which is still very, very good in my opinion for this kind of money-making opportunities by just sharing a link there. So imagine how many times people, the more they click, the more you earn, of course. Okay, so all you have to do is spread it out to make your link viral, and you will earn, of course, more money. Alright, there you have it. How to make money online with a simple copy-paste method. Really easy to get started with. Now, if you got some value out of this video, I really do appreciate if you hit the like button below. Before you leave, you'll find at the end screen here 2 channels to subscribe to. Those are both mine, and they are both related to this, so I highly recommend you to subscribe to both those channels. Hit the notification bell also to be notified every time I upload new videos there. Most important, you will find a link below in the description here for my #1 recommendation on how to make money online. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon.